All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm doing the recap. I am in Medellin, in Colombia, with Brian, actually, together.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
So I'm in Medellin, Colombia. We had a really nice meetup that I'm gonna post. See a couple of pictures that a lot of people came. Actually, I'm surprised that we have so many traders in Colombia. And it seems that this culture of trading is in Colombia. I've never seen anywhere in South America that they're so into trading. Maybe Brazil probably have a lot of trading culture as well. But anyways, overall trading was pretty good today. I shorted AMD that turned out to be a really bad loss. But I quickly flipped my position and I went long AMD, and eventually turned out to be I made the losses back plus some, and that's exactly the concept of risk to reward. You get a stopped out, and then you one good trade that you make 2 3 R, you should come profitable out of that. So there was nothing wrong with my short and loss. It was just it didn't work out. So you just manage your trade, the next trade that is winning trade. If the amount of win that you get is more than the losses that you're getting, which is the whole concept of risk to reward, over time you're actually becoming profitable. So as you see here, I had a $7,000 loss on AMD, and I made a $12,000, $13,000 gain on it, and then it eventually turned out to be a profitable day for me. And that's exactly the concept of risk to reward is, and that's what people really always consider. So let's go through the trades that I did. 2 trades only, and AMD at the open opened very strong, and really popped up to R3 and then rejected the R3. And this is the type of trades that sometimes Thor does, shorts at R3. Like Thor, if you have the trade that you did, if you can send it, that he shorts right at R3. That's the type of trades that he does. And then anyways, so it dropped below the VWAP. I kind of went short, and I was hoping that to break the S3 and going down below 121.56, came down, tested the S3 exactly around 121.83 and quickly squeezed back up, and I got a stopped out. And then as soon as I got stopped out, I said, this is a very bullish candlestick. The pattern was really bullish. I flipped my position a couple of times, and I went long from 120 to 2030. And then as we got the break of high of the day, and then we went all the way up to R4, and then break of R4 all the way up to 123.70. And then we got this very beautiful move here. Then pulled back to the VWAP. I added more, and I was hoping that maybe you can go back to the high of the day, and I got to stop that. I kind of realized that you might not really have enough momentum because market also didn't do anything. At the same time, when looking at the S&P 500, S&P 500 sold, but really, it's trading really pretty much flat and really didn't have any strength. So when the market also doesn't have any momentum to the upside and downsides, that impacts your, stocks that you're trading as well. So as you see here, really nice pop, and then I added more and got it stopped out. And again, the whole idea of trading is about, the concept of risk to reward. I know Thor trades short. Actually, he shared that. Let me actually share that with you guys here. Yeah, so this is a trade that guys Thor did, as you see here. Right, shorting at the Tesla right at the open at 237, sells off all the way up to this four. I don't know which one exactly is R3 or R4, but he does that really nice trades based on the order flow and obviously book map that he's looking at. Really nice drop from 237 to 232. Beautiful trade as you see here. Palestine, and again these bounces, sometimes he catches these bounces exactly. So again, 2 traders, guys, trades completely something different, and at the end of the day, both of them are really profitable. It's just a matter of trade management and trade position. I'm completely different trader from Thor, but what is happening here is that I manage my position. Sometimes when I'm making money, he's holding his position, and when I'm exiting, he's entering a position. So really the direction doesn't matter. The trade management, having that strategy is the most important thing that you guys have to have. So that's pretty much for me. Brian, I think you traded Affirm a little bit. Affirm had a really nice run up. Paris had that in his trades, really massive run. I saw that, but I don't know, for some reason I didn't take that. You see huge asks right now sitting at 29.50. Most likely it's going to pop up. Very nice, beautiful run. I think Brian popped up into that. So for those of you who want to know how Paris trades, look at this huge ask at 29.50. It's most likely it's going to break that toward 29.60. So and these asks are going to really get get filled. Paris has a course as part of Cyber Monday. Is 50% off. If you guys want to watch his order flow, he talks about the position sizing and tiers. I see. Did you see that? It just popped up. It's gonna go to a high of the day. Did you see that, guys? The huge ask popped up. So that was that's the thing, guys. And again, guys, today is the last day. You guys can sign up if you want to be getting that $50,000 account and trade and get the profit. The last bootcamp, I think we have over 15 people that profitable now, and they're all gonna get a cash back from their profit. So really looking forward to see for the next 2 weeks that is left and see if we can make anyone to $10,000. We don't have anyone yet to $10,000, but we have close. That's it, guys. So if you have any question, just let me know. I'm gonna stay in Medellin. I'm in a hotel, but I'm switching to an Airbnb. I'm gonna might stay here for 2 weeks. It's a really nice place, very beautiful place, and looking forward to see you guys. We had a really nice meetup in Medellin. I love that, Brian and I, and thanks for
Yeah.
everyone who came. And now, as you see, Affirm is gonna come up. And I have no other position. Again, guys, because we are kind of in a bull market, I switched my JP position to the VOO, which is equivalent of S&P 500 by Vanguard. I think funds like JP and JEPQ, they underperform in a bull market. Because they're very defensive. So as you see, a firm is popping up. So that's why I'm just holding position. If you get a really big pullback again, like we did 2 weeks ago, then I might switch into SSO or SPXL to be more, aggressive for the bounce. But I think it seems that the U.S. economy is very resilient, and the consumer spending is still very strong. The high interest rates are not impacting the economy, and might be the soft landing is to be the case. Have a good day, guys. If you have any question, feel free to email me, andrew@bearabletraders.com, and looking forward to see you guys.